Hi and welcome back to Hobbies Inn. Let's make some realistic roses today. These roses are made from simple craft paper, so grab the color you like and follow the steps. Also grab your glue and a glass. And let's try out this super easy rose tutorial. You can take the paper of any size, but then you have to cut out little squares out of that paper. Here I am going to take 6 cross 6 centimeter squares. I have made these strips 6 centimeter wide, and after cutting out these strips I will cut out 6 by 6 centimeter squares from these strips. These squares are going to be your petals, and we already needed to fold the petals at the center. That's why I'm folding it and cutting them out. At this stage we would cut out these squares into a round shape to make the shape of the petal round. Now grab a glass or a bottle or any container with a round mouth. Here I'm taking my bottle and I am placing these petals as such. This bottle had a narrow mouth. Keep placing the petals one above the other, and for each layer you need to use the glue so that one layer would stick to the other layer. Keep adding the petals until the center is also covered with the petals. If you need to cut out more petals, then go ahead. At this stage I needed one more petal, but I did not have that and I got lazy, so I used the tiny bit of paper there to cover the hole, and our rose is ready. To make a bigger or smaller rose, it depends on the mouth of the bottle or the glass you're using. For the yellow rose here, I have used the glass that had a wide mouth. That's why it's a bit bigger than the pink rose, for which I used the bottle with narrow mouth. Also for yellow flower, I had to cut out many petals as compared to the pink rose.